Hey guys, I'm here to show you my new little vacuum. He's actually a vacuum and he mops. This has been so fun. Look how cute he is. He has like 4 different modes. And he's so entertaining to watch. I bought him because I have a pug and my boyfriend has a German Shepherd. And we have hair and lots of it. And so in order to kind of help with that, I saw this little guy. He went on sale and I made a purchase. He's on auto right now. And yes, he will bump into things, but he always finds his way. And it takes him about an hour and a half to go through the auto cycle, but he will clean all of my floors. And within an hour